Well, at the moment, when you're chatting with an AI model within AI Studio, that particular chat will always be saved automatically. And this is actually a new policy because just a few months ago, when you're chatting with any model within this AI platform, that chat will be gone forever. So if you accidentally refresh the page, then you cannot see or revisit that chat again. It is gone, and it's kind of difficult to do some iterative work because we don't have the historical data about the conversations. But now it has changed and every chat will be saved automatically. But in case you still want to go back to the previous state of Google AI Studio, you just want to have a temporary chat using this AI platform, then there are two ways that you can try. So the first method that I do recommend is by enabling something called temporary chat. So this is quite similar to the temporary chat or incognito mode in Gemini. So what you need to do is to start a new chat, and then you can enable this temporary chat mode. And there you go. So your conversations won't be saved. However, any files you upload will be saved to your Google Drive. So that's just the policy. So this means that the chat is going to be treated temporarily. If you refresh the page, you cannot see that again. You cannot revisit the chat that you just created. Perhaps the only thing that you can still access is the content like images or videos that you uploaded into that chat window. But anything that was generated by that chat window, whether it is text, image or video, will be gone basically forever. So that's one method to actually bring back the temporary policy in AI Studio. The second method that you can try is essentially by just disconnecting your Google Drive account from AI Studio. So what you need to do is to navigate to drive.google.com. And here I'm using the desktop version of Google Drive. Now you can click this gear icon and then go to settings. And after that, click manage apps and then find Google AI Studio. Once you find that app, you can click options and then click disconnect from Drive. And then I'm going to enable this option to also delete hidden app data created by this app. Now, don't worry, it is not actually deleting your conversation. It is just deleting some temporary data, basically. So it's not that important. Your chat will still intact, basically. Now, you can click disconnect. And now if I refresh AI Studio, you'll see that I don't have any access to the historical conversations anymore. It's basically not going to be saving anything that I created using this AI tool. Now, in case you want to go back, you want to enable the saving again, then you can click this button and then you can select your Google account. And basically all the historical data will be back. It's not going to delete your conversation permanently because again it is tied to your Google Drive account. As long as you still have the data on your Google Drive account, the chat will still remain in AI Studio. So that's basically how you can bring back the temporary chat feature in Google AI Studio. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.